Joining us today is the teenage Filipino Qatari cycling phenom who has been making waves across the Middle East these days. And now he is set to take on the world's best at the UCI Road World Championships in Rwanda. The first ever staging on African soil this September 23. Born on March 15, 2008, he has since become a naturalized citizen of Qatar and now competes for the Qatar national cycling team and the Al Adam local cycling squad. Please welcome Hafiz Zali. Magandang araw sa iyo dyan. At anong oras dyan, idol?
Currently, I'll check, 11:20 pa.
11:20 kasi behind sila by about 5 hours ba sa Pilipinas, tama ba?
5 hours.
Okay, diretso na tayo sa katanungan, no? Ito bang magaganap na UCI World Road Championship ay ang kauna-unahan mong paglahok dito sa Global Summit na ito kung saan ay maglalaban-laban ng pinakamahusay sa mundo para sa worldwide supremacy na sumisimbolo ng rainbow jersey?
Apo, ito yung pinakang first event ko sa UCI outside with the European, EU, and first ever World Championship competition na masasalihan ko pa.
By the way, itong si Hafiz Zali, ito ang, kung hindi ako magkakamali, siya ang kauna-unahang Pilipino na tatampok, na lalahok dito sa UCI World Road Championship. Ano pakiramdam ng ganon na Hafiz Zali?
To be honest pa, there's still some peer pressure knowing that I'm the first Filipino. Medyo kinakabahan din pa, pero it still motivates me to do my best in the event.
Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, sa ACC ka makasali, talagang it's a privilege, At ikaw naman ngayon ay nasa UCI World Road Championship. Talagang top level na yan, Kulang na lang maging Olympian ka. Anong pakiramdam ng pagiging 17 lang? 17 lang, ha? Hindi ka pa elite.
Apa.
At nagko-compete ka na sa ganitong level.
To be honest, it's really exciting pa. Knowing that I still have so much room for improvement, na motivate pa ako na to push myself more to the limits. Para pagdating ko na po sa U23 and elite, I would be in a higher level.
Oo, kasi sa 17 mo pala may magandang pinapakita ka na at given na sa magandang team ka, at part of the national team ng Qatar. Given part ka na ng Qatar national cycling team at itong local cycling team dyan sa Qatar, ang itong Al Adam, totoo bang pinanganak ka sa Qatar?
Apa.
Okay.
I was born in Qatar, but my parents are from Philippines, of course, in Zamboanga City.
Okay, pero nakapunta ka na ba sa Pilipinas? Nakabisita ka man lang?
Apo, nakapunta na pa sa Pilipinas back in 2023. That time, it was my off-season, so it was vacation for me, so I wasn't really focused on cycling since I wanted to take a break. I was still cycling, nagbabike pa din pa, pero I wasn't going as much because for me, my prioritize ko din po yung time ko that I need for recovery.
How do you carry being both Filipino and Qatari on the international stage?
When someone asks me, especially here in Rwanda, I've been meeting so many people and they've been interviewing, they've been asking questions. Where are you from? They see the flag, but it's Qatar. So basically, I say I'm representing Qatar, but I'm not from Qatar. I say that I'm Filipino because alam ko din po na isa po sa mga responsibility ko as a Filipino is to represent who I am really. To go back to my roots kasi alam ko din po na Filipino po and it's just so that happens na it's just a blessing for me to be representing Qatar as well. But to be honest, I'd also love to represent Philippines. I'd also say to the media that I'm a Filipino later on. But I'd say first I say I'm representing Qatar, but I'm Filipino, so I'd point that out specifically.
Okay, how do you find the Philippine races?
Okay, actually, a funny story is I went on Philippine races, specifically on MCC. You probably know that. I met many people there, especially. Sumasama po ako sa laro ni Tatay Talks po, yung mga benta-benta, yung mga small races po. Pero it was such a fun event. Going to those events made me realize kung ang dami pong wasted potential sa Pilipinas po. Seeing so many talents there in Philippines that could have gone to more races like this, it really really made me sad, to be honest, kasi hindi ko po ma-expect na ang dami pong malalakas sa Pilipinas, lalo na po yung mga bata dyan. I'm really speechless kasi natuwa pa ako actually kasi sa mga nakita ko dun po. Sobrang gagaling po nila mag-ensayo po. Sobrang tiyaga po nila.
So sino ang mga tinitingnan mong mga Filipino riders dito or iniidolo pagdating dito sa Philippine road cycling?
Sa isa pong paborito ay si John Paul Morales po, Sprint King po. Yun po yung isa po yung pina-idolo po sa Pilipinas kasi nung nagsimula din po ako ng pagbabike, yun din po yung nakita po sa post niya po sa Facebook. At saka naka-race ko na din po siya sa circle po in Manila. And it was such a different experience. Mostly focused po ako ngayon sa GCC since I'll be also preparing for the upcoming Arab Championships that will be hosted either in Egypt or in Iraq. Hindi pa po sure. And the upcoming Asian Games in Bahrain. And if I'm not mistaken, andun din po yung Pilipinas, makikita ko din po sa Bahrain in October, this coming October next month.
By the way, sa mga nakalista ngayon for the UCI World Road Championship, isa ka lang bang Pilipino ang magko-compete dyan?
Ako po yung mag-iisang Pilipino pa.
Okay. Sa lalaruan mo ngayon, may alam ka bang mga ibang Pilipino like sa elite coming from...
Wala po so far wala pa
from a country, no? Okay.
Even from kahit ibang country po na dual citizenship pa, wala pa ako nakita.
So ikaw talaga, no? Ang lone Filipino contingent from Qatar na talagang lalahok at first time makakalahok dito sa ever prestigious na UCI World Road Championship na mula ito ay 1921. Matagal na tong UCI World Road Championship na to. Mas matagal pa ito sa ACC na 1963 lang. Advice mo dito sa mga kabataan na naghahangad din na mapunta sa top level na tulad mo na kinalalagyan mo ngayon? First in Philippine road cycling history.
Mapapayo po sa mga bata na nangangarap po na makapunta sa mga ganitong event, World Championships or even Asian Games, is ensayo lang po ng ensayo. Kasi kung hindi po kayo mag-ensayo at saka hindi nyo po paghihirapan yung mga pangarap nyo, hindi po siya darating. Hindi lang pwede na tutulog lang kayo tapos yung pangarap nyo magiging totoo. Dapat babangon din kayo at saka dapat paghirapan nyo po yung kung anong gusto nyo po.
Alright, big thanks to our outspoken 17-year-old Filipino Qatari phenom, Hafiz Sali, for sharing his journey as he heads to Kigali, Rwanda for the UCI World Road Championships. May his story reminds us that true pride comes from chasing dreams with courage and heart. This is Dwayne Badwa for Dwayne Entertainment.
Po si Dwayne Badwa